Thank you, Mr. Raza. This is Lee with Hooked on CNC Custom Wood Carving. I have your design here, and looking at your design, there are several thin areas of the design. Right here on its sides and along in here. If you're going to use it as a functional part, I'm afraid it's going to be too thin to hold up to the stresses involved. I would suggest that it was be carved out of high density plastic. It is fairly strong. It's a lot like cutting board plastic. And that way you could use it for prototyping if you're going to build it out of another material. This is just the image cut with a 1/4 inch bit, so it doesn't show the holes. It shows the indentation, but the finished carving would have holes in it, but I'm afraid if it's done in wood, it wouldn't be practical. Um, I think the failure rate on it would be pretty high. But let me know what you think, and use my email to let me know your answer.